Okay, good morning. Screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
Screen is visible. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, what we have discussed in last lecture? What point we have discussed in last lecture? Can anyone? Can someone recall and tell me what point we have discussed in last lecture? You can unmute and you can tell, no problem. Can anyone? Which point we have discussed in last lecture? You can just unmute yourself and you can tell, no problem. Rajkumar, will you please unmute and tell?
लाईन लाईन डिटेक्शन मध्ये टू टाइप बघितले वर्टिकल डिझाइन मास्क अँड हॉरिझॉन्टल डिझाइन मास्क
Okay, and two more are there, na? Plus 45 degree and minus 45 degree also.
प्लस 45 आणि मायनस 45
Okay, very good. Then
ऑल मास्क सम इज इक्वल टू 0
okay, okay. So we have discussed about the masks that are used for the line detection, right? So uh, point detection we have already covered. Okay, and so the line detection part we have discussed in the last lecture. Now in this lecture, we are going to discuss about the age models, okay, or you can say the age detection part. Age detection part. Okay. So as you already know, ages are the high frequency components in an image, right? So you can say any age. Whenever in any image you can say the border or age you will find, simply it is always referred as the high frequency component of that image. Okay. So age is characterized by the height, slope angle, horizontal co-coordinator, slope, midpoint, and age exists, right? So that means that age can be uh, doesn't something in a vertical line only. No, age can be a slope or can be a horizontal line or the border vertical line, right? So it doesn't mean age means only a vertical line. No, it can be a slope, it can be a horizontal one, it can be a vertical one. That all you can consider as a ages. Okay, and we normally refer all ages as a high frequency components, right? Age is a high frequency content in an image. Always remember this point. Many times we have discussed this. So now, how to detect these ages, right? With the help of the discontinuity property. That means the age detection part. Okay. So there are different ages, age models that you can say. Okay, which are those age models? So step age, right? It involves a transition between two intensity levels occurring ideally over a distance of 1 pixel. Okay, so step means you can say it's a abrupt change in the, what we can say, uh, abrupt change in the intensity. Okay, that is a, we can say as a step. So that is transition between two intensity levels. Okay, and that to be an abrupt transition level. That means I guess I hope you have studied the step signal in signals and systems, right? How step signals look like. So same concept is used here also. Step age, you can say it's an abrupt transition or abrupt change between the two intensity levels. That is the step age, right? Over a distance of 1 pixel. That means immediately over a distance of 1 pixel, there is an abrupt rise in intensity values. That means change in intensity values. That is the, you can say, step age. Then you can again categorize that age as a ramp age also. Okay, ramp means what? Linearly it is increasing. There is no abrupt change as like step. It is a linear increase in the intensity levels. बरोबर आहे. स्टेप म्हणजे काय? abrupt change म्हणजे एकदम लो व्हॅल्यू पासून हाय व्हॅल्यू पर्यंत. दॅट इज द स्टेप. व्हॉट अबाउट द रॅम्प एज? रॅम्प मीन्स व्हॉट? देर इज अ लिनियर इन्क्रीज. एकदम चेंज होत नाही, लिनियरली हळूहळू हळूहळू ते वाढत जातं इंटेन्सिटी लेवल्स. दॅट इज द रॅम्प एज मॉडेल यू कॅन सी. ओके, then you can have the roof edge model. What is roof edge model? So in case of roof edge models of lines through a region with the base width of a roof edge being determined by the thickness and sharpness of the line. That means in a very simple language you can say roof edge is a horizontal line, right? Roof edge is a horizontal line, and you know about the step and ramp. Okay, now the thing is how to detect this age. Okay, we have, as we have studied the point detection part, we have discussed the line detection part. The same thing we are using here. Okay, we are using the same thing. We are using the what we can say, the mask only, different filters only. Normally, if you consider the computer vision part, ages are detected by convolving the signal with some linear filter mask. Okay, you have some filter mask, you have some image, and when you convolve that image, right, with that linear filter mask, it is a kind of what we can say age detection only, right? By convolving the image with a linear filter mask. Okay, linear filter mask that approximates and as I told you here, that mass can be of first order derivative, that mass can be of second order derivative, right? So these types of masks that normally we are uh, we are using uh, we are using in a uh, for the age detection, not age detection actually, actually in any kind of detection, actually in any kind of detection. So you can take point detection, you can see line detection, you can see age detection. Basic principle is what? Convolving mask. Okay, convolving mask target. Convolving mask and target. Target means the image where you want to detect whether line, age, or point, depending upon your application. So convolving that basic mask, okay, with the what we can say image or your target image. That's the simple process of age detection, point detection, or line detection, anything. And basic property of that mask is it can be a first order derivative or second order derivative. Clear with this? Just hold for 2 minutes. Okay, so uh, basic theory you have got. Okay, so you must have what we can say, either you can go for a first order derivative mask or you can go for a second order derivative mask. Okay, so uh, what are different second order derivative masks that you can use, okay, for the this what we can say, age detection, we can say, for a matter of understanding, what are different second order derivative masks that we can use. Okay, and I have even given you the homework for the same. So you have to tell me whether Laplacian operator we can consider as a first order derivative or second order derivative. This homework I have given to you actually. Laplacian operator शिकलात का नहीं तुम्ही? You have studied in even M1, M2, M3, 11, 12 mathematics also. It's a first order derivative or second order derivative. Can
Second
anyone?
order, sir.
Second
Second.
order. Okay. Okay. Vaibhav Mukre,
Yes, sir.
is this correct? It is a second order derivative, or you have some different opinion?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
The second order.
second order. Okay. Next, Swati Verma. Swati Verma is there in meeting. Okay, so basically it's a second order derivative only. Okay, it is second order derivative. You have to remember this. It is second order derivative. Laplacian operator you can consider always as a second order derivative. Okay, then as we have discussed, the process is same only. Okay, process is same only. What process we are using? We are convolving some linear filter mask. Okay, that mask can be of first order or second order derivative, and we have to convolve that mask, okay, the designed mask of filter with your target image for the edge detection or line detection or point detection purpose. Basic thing is mask. You have to design a mask. Okay, for example, we have discussed different masks for the line detection, right? Minus 45 degree, plus 45 degree, horizontal, vertical mask. So here that is for the line detection. But when you are talking about the edge detection, first we have to define some edge model. बरोबर आहे. तुम्हाला एज मॉडेल डिफाइन करून घ्यावं लागतं की बाबा एज कशा कशा प्रकारचे असू शकतात. सो इट कॅन बी अ स्टेप, राईट, दॅट मीन्स सडन राइज इन ग्रे लेवल. It can be of RAM type, that means slowly linear increase in the gray levels or intensity, you can say one and the same thing, gray level and intensity one and the same thing. Or it can be of roof type, that means horizontal, right? As I told you, edge म्हणजे फक्त एक vertical line असं काही नसतं. That can be a vertical line, that can be a horizontal line, that can be a slope type line. बरोबर आहे. यातलं कुठलंही एजच म्हणतो. एज म्हणजे फक्त असं काही कंपल्शन नाही, इट शुड बी अ व्हर्टिकल लाईन ओनली. नो, horizontal line can be a edge, ram type line can be a edge, right? So first, for the edge detection, first you have to define the models for that, right? Whether that edge is of ram type, edge is of step type, or edge is of roof type, and then you have to design a specific filter for that. Okay, but normally there is a convention for the edge detection purpose. Always second order filters, that means the mask, that filter mask designed using the Laplacian operator, that means second order differential are always gives the good result as compared to the first order derivative. म्हणजे एज डिटेक्शन साठी नॉर्मली जे तुम्ही मास्क वापरता किंवा डिझाईन करता ते सेकंड ऑर्डर डेरिव्हेटिव्हचे असतात, बिकॉज दॅट गिव्स अ गुड रिझल्ट. क्लिअर विथ दिस? समजलंय का सगळ्यांना?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is about the edge detection part. Okay, you have to remember the one thing only: edge can be of step type, it can be of roof type, or it can be of ram type. Okay, the thickness of edge that determined by the length of ram. Okay, how much length of the ram, that is the thickness of that edge. Okay, and the length also determines the slope, and shape is determined by the degree of blurring. Okay, so length of ramp, how you can determine? Thickness of the edge, that is the length of ramp, and the length is also determined by the slope, and shape is determined by the degree of blurring. Okay, so that means you can determine the length of ram either by the what we can say, measuring the thickness or by measuring the slope, and you can determine the shape, that means what is the shape of that RAM signal, what is degree of its inclination, and all that purpose you can determine by using the degree of blurring, right? Degree of blurring. So in this way you can detect different edges within an image. And obviously now the very basic question to all of you, जे तुम्ही मास्क डिझाईन करणार आहात, doesn't matter first order, second order always give the best performance. But now the very basic and very logical question to you, that is a high pass mask or low pass mask for the age detection? Can anyone? जे तुम्ही मास्क डिझाईन करणार आहे ते हाय पास मास्क डिझाईन करायचे का लो पास मास्क डिझाईन करायचे?
High pass.
Why?
Because age is the high frequency component, so we have to use
Very, very right. Absolutely right. Always remember. See, in case of point detection or line detection, you can use sometime low pass mask also, depending upon your application. But in case of age detection, always you have to use high pass mask only, because edges are the high frequency components in an image. But point or line can be a low frequency component, but edges नेव्हर बी द लो फ्रिक्वेन्सी कॉम्पोनंट. म्हणजे इमेज मध्ये एज जे असतं ते लो फ्रिक्वेन्सी कधीच नसतं. दॅट इज ऑलवेज अ हाय फ्रिक्वेन्सी कॉम्पोनंट. आणि म्हणून तुम्हाला एज डिटेक्शन साठी जे तुम्ही लिनियर फिल्टर मास्क बाय युझिंग सेकंड ऑर्डर डेरिव्हेटिव्ह जे किंवा लॅप्लासियन ऑपरेटर जे बनवणार ते हाय फिल्टर मास्कच तुम्ही डिझाईन करता ऑलवेज, बिकॉज आपल्याला हाय फ्रिक्वेन्सी कॉम्पोनंट त्यातनं डिटरमाइन करायचे किंवा एक्सट्रॅक्ट करायचे. They are nothing to do with low frequency component, because edges are the high frequency content. त्यामुळे एज मास्क म्हटला की तो ओळखायचा की दॅट इज अ हाय फिल्टर मास्क ओनली और हाय पास मास्क ओनली. समजलंय सगळ्यांना? समजलं आहे का?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is about the age detection. Okay, so we will stop here. We will continue with the next point in next lecture. Okay, if you have any doubt regarding this point that we have covered in today's lecture, you can ask me right now. We have covered the age detection.